Welcome back, guys. This is the Motorcycle Boss again. I do have a quick tip for you. This is pretty simple. I covered this in one of my other videos, but basically this is where your clutch lever is, and this is your clutch adjustment. This will tell you how much play you have in your clutch. So the whole point about this video is inside of this slit there is a steel cable that goes all the way down to your clutch. That cable can easily corrode if you let water get inside of it, either by spraying your bike down with a hose or letting it sit outside while it rains, etc. Water can get inside there and rust that cable out because the cable is most often than not made of steel. So this can help hopefully save someone's life. They don't end up getting a snapped clutch cable and dying for some reason. By just take that slit and face it down. This is what we call common, I would say, knowledge, but it's not so common. You want to have that face down so water can't easily get in there and rust out that cable. Also, this little detent right here, this little hook that it kind of clicks into, that is not what that is for. That is just to hold any position on this ring and keep it from moving through vibration. The ideal position, keep the slit face down. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would love to hear you guys in the comments as well, and feel free to subscribe. My whole channel is based on helping people that are motorcycle owners either learn new things about their bikes or help them to save money and keep their bikes away from the dealership. So please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.